back in the room, and this is they with This Bin. Proper ending too, but just brilliant. Just brilliant. That is British Birds and This Bin. And